Sabita Devi, North Indian movie actress. She was one of the prominent leading ladies of pioneering era in Indian cinema. Straight natural eyebrows, dark colored lip shades, wavy hair tie-up, and small bindi. These were the iconic style statement of actress Sabita Devi in 1930s. T.P. Rajalakshmi, South Indian movie star. She was the first Tamil and Telugu film heroine and first female director and producer in the South Indian cinema industry. Natural eyebrows overdrawn with eyebrow pencil, winged liner kajal, shiny dark lipsticks, wavy front hair updos were the budding styles of South Indian women. Gold embellished heavy bordered sarees was a trend back then in 1930s.